Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve affiliate marketing with Kohl's detailed guide step by step clearly. To improve your affiliate marketing with Kohl's, start by joining their affiliate program. Visit the Kohl's affiliate program page on their website. Sign up by providing the necessary information, including your website details and promotional strategies. Once approved, familiarize yourself with the affiliate dashboard and tools offered. Choose a niche that aligns with Kohl's product offerings to target your audience effectively. Research Kohl's latest promotions and sales events to find the best products to promote. Utilize Kohl's banners and links available in the affiliate dashboard for easy integration into your content. Create high-quality, engaging content that showcases Kohl's products in a genuine way. Incorporate seasonal trends and shopping tips related to Kohl's. Use social media platforms to share your content and drive traffic to your affiliate links. Analyze your campaign performance through tracking tools provided in the affiliate dashboard. Adjust your strategies based on performance data to maximize your conversion rates. Network with other affiliates and join forums to exchange effective marketing techniques. Stay updated on Kohl's new products and changes in their affiliate program terms. Implement SEO strategies to improve the visibility of your content related to Kohl's. Encourage interaction by asking your audience questions or prompting them to share their Kohl's shopping experiences. Monitor industry trends and incorporate them into your content and promotional strategies. Regularly review and optimize your marketing efforts to ensure continued growth and success with Kohl's. Being consistent and patient is key to building a successful affiliate marketing partnership with Kohl's. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.